Hi. My name is Jerry. And I'm a handyman. People often ask me what they should have in a basic toolbox. So let me show you the top 5 tools I use all the time. I use the retractable utility blade for cutting everything from paper and cardboard to styrofoam and carpets. While there are specific tools for the function, a good blade can also be used for stripping wires. A set of screwdrivers should be found in every handyman's toolbox. Try to include a few different sizes. Screwdrivers also come in a range of types to accommodate various screws. Flat tip and cross tip are the most common. Besides their intended use, screwdrivers come in handy in many other situations. An adjustable spanner or wrench with a movable jaw. This allows the tool to be used with different sizes of fastener head rather than just one size. A pair of pliers can be used for many different purposes. They are great for cutting tough electrical and metal wires. The jaws can also be used to manipulate objects too small or unwieldy to be handled with the fingers. Pliers are also useful for bending and physically compressing a wide range of materials. Last, but not least, it's the hammer. And we all know what hammers are used for.